He told you I'm here, you just need some rest. I know I love you then, but you never know. 'Cause play it cool when I was here I go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we get it all. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kid to school with them goodbye. And I'll take my last hour for the night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forgot about all that. I wanna dance with you right now. Whoa, and you look as a beautiful as ever, and I swear I will you was better. You make me feel this way somehow. I am in love with you, and I hope you know. Darling, you love is more than what I know. We came so far out there, look how we grown. And I wanna stay with you until we get it all. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, ever we grows. 'Cause you're always there with me when I need you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give you out. I promise still that we part like in our vows. So I'll wrote this song for you and know everybody knows that I just stay with me until we get it all. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.